أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
The President and the executive members of FANCA, the CEO, Nadi Town Council, CEO, Lutuka City Council, the Chairman and the members of the organizing committee, management and players, invited guests, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bulavinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. It is my honor this afternoon to officially address you on this occasion of organization by the Fiji Muslim Sports Association in partnership with FANCA Federation that will see the host the FANCA Nations World Cup Fiji 2022 and Silver Jubilee celebration here in the gateway of Fiji in the jet-set town Nadi. I bring greetings and a hearty Nisambula to all of you on behalf of the Honorable Prime Minister, who was due to be here. Unfortunately, because of the pressing engagement, he could not be here with you. Friends, this event brings together the Muslim community here in Fiji and their friends and family members who live abroad as the FANCA Federation that includes Fiji and of course extend to Australia, New Zealand, Canada and the United States of America, those countries to which most Fijians have migrated in the past so many decades. As such, the annual sporting and social event is a celebration of the diversity in Fiji, in which the Muslim community has been an important part of since the coming of the indentured laborers to Fiji in 1879. In Fiji, we have often referred to unity in diversity to celebrate the different communities that make up Fiji as a multiracial, multi-faith nation. This, dear friends, is always our strength, and world leaders from presidents to prime ministers to the Pope have referred to this unique diversity and commended the way in which we have tried and for the most part succeeded in living in peace and harmony. Let us not forget how we all have been tested by the COVID-19 pandemic. And I mean all of us as human beings, rather than as members of a particular community. We must continue to celebrate our diversity and the unique flavors that it brings to Fiji. And I'm happy to note that the Fiji Muslim Sports Association and FANCA have continued to work closely to celebrate their unique contributions to Fiji as a nation and to Fiji as a nation of diverse communities living in harmony. The FANCA Nations World Cup is held every 2 years, as mentioned earlier on, in different countries, allowing all Fijians to renew friendships in a social and a sporting environment. And it has continued to show its strength. Once again, gather its members in numbers here in Fiji in a COVID-safe environment in 2022. I'm sure that this event will make up for cancelled gathering in 2020 due to the pandemic, when New Zealand was given the rights to host. No matter where our Fijian sisters and brothers have chosen to live, and no matter what their community or religious background, Fiji will always be home to you. This is a statement that has been actioned by this government through the 2013 Fijian Constitution and through our extension of dual citizenship. The Fiji First government continues and will continue to make it easier for former Fiji residents to visit, live in, and to make investment in this country. Ladies and gentlemen, I must make special mention of the many former Fiji residents who have taken advantage of our proactive investment opportunities, great returns on the investment, low tax rates, and a whole range of incentives for all the investors. Even during pandemic, I have officiated at events to open businesses that were invested in by these former residents. And the numbers continue to grow. And this includes many successful businesses overseas within the Fijian ties who have sponsored our sporting teams and engaged in charity works as well. As former Fiji residents, you have the advantage of local knowledge and context. And I know that many more of you will not only visit Fiji, but also invest in and grow your beloved country. The Fiji First government and a whole of Fijians of different backgrounds have worked very hard to make Fiji a welcome place for all. And we must continue to work hard and ensure that it will always be home to all of us. I know that the sporting teams have prepared hard for this event. This is a very notable set of sporting events, and especially those during the 25th anniversary of FANCA. I know that all of you will play hard, but as mentioned earlier on, you will also have to have a fair play and the spirit of social coming together behind these events. To the organizing committee, my warm congratulations for organizing such a grand event. To the pioneers of FANCA and those who have kept the organization going since then, my sincere congratulations for achieving and now celebrating your Silver Jubilee or 25th anniversary in the grand style that it deserves. My best wishes to all. Have a safe celebration and tournament and safe travels to all of you. Vinaka and thank you.